guys! Good morning! Happy Wednesday, everyone! I hope everyone is doing okay today. Today is my day off, kaya andito po si Mamshi. Tingnan natin yung garden ng asawa ko doon sa ano, guys. Hold on, let me turn on my microphone. Kasi he is struggling with his garden, guys. Kasi daw yung chipmunks, kinakain yung kanyang garden. Kaya, na-stress na po siya sa mahal ng kanyang pagbili ng fences at saka yung effort niya. OMG, grabe yung aso, oh. Sinira na lahat ng ano dito. Yung aso niya, pinapakain po niya, guys. Yung ginawa niya, what a disaster. Look, what a disaster. My God, we bought this not cheap, ha? Kinain niya. Grabe yung asong to, pasaw. Tara guys, puntahan natin yung kanyang garden. Kalat dito, uy. Ayan oh, laki-laki kaya. Boom. Kaya pala ang mahal ng kanyang binili sa fence. Dahil, tingnan nyo. Ang laki pala ng garden niyang ginagawa, guys. Oh, see? May pag-ganern pa siya dyan, oh. Ayan, oh. Lagyan ng mga plants. Ayun na, meron ng mga ano. Nice! You did great here. You did great on your garden.
See, they don't get into those, but they eat everything down in the bottom. Look at these guys.
Hala, tingnan mo to, guys. Boom. What kind of plant is that?
String beans.
Oh, nice. And about that? Same?
String beans.
Alright. Those...
Bell pepper and tomato.
Oh, cool, cool. Look, it's big, oh. Oh, this is ripe, honey. There's more in the back.
This one?
Look, they're so big,
Pick
actually.
'em.
Oh, pick natin, guys, ha?
Pick them, just pull it.
Oh, see?
Here.
Oh, why you get the little one? You don't get the little one.
Oh, hush.
Get the big one. Okay, itong apples, so mga sira-sira na to siya, guys. Kasi, yan oh, big apples. Di pa siya matured, baka nakain na yung iba. Ayun, in fairness, malaki yun siya doon, oh. Kaya lang hindi pa talaga siya nag-ano ba. My hand is full. Yeah, but my hand's full. My hand is full. Tara guys. Wala namang ganap ngayong araw na ito. Dito lang kami sa bahay. And then, as usual, antayin na naman ang mga bata para pick upin na naman namin. Kaya na tayo mag-lunch. Eto guys, kasi napakadali niyang gamitin. Saksak mo lang. Tapos, madali balatan tong itlogers. Tingnan niyo, watch this. Care of himself na. See? See? Sobrang dali. Hindi gaya ng i-boil mo siya sa pot. Ito is very easy to peel. Diba? Nag-peel off agad yung ano. Kaya I like to use it eh. Tapos, yung asawa ko guys, siya na yung gumagawa ng kanyang breakfast. Nasanay na po siya. Hindi na po siya inalagaan ng asawa niya guys. Kasi yung asawa niya is busy. That's good. Anyway. Ito yung favorite bread natin. Para kasi siyang Filipino style na bread. Pwede na anak makakain ng dalawa. Let's heat it. Tapos na po akong kumain, guys. So, mag-shower na tayo para ready to pick up the kiddos. Kasi meron pa po ako mga ipang pack na mga orders. And then, relax. So, see you later. Andito na kami. Yeah, sure. You can look for sandal if you want.
There's a baby.
Picture bra. Picture bra. Show me daw. Oh. Kasama namin si Gabriel, guys.
Only 41 seconds.
Kasi gusto niya pong sumama. Here?
47.
I don't know why it's not showing. Mamimili si Ka.
Why is something expensive? Golden.
Okay, come on. I'm letting you look.
Fine, lady.
Alam mo naman ako, guys. Mabilis lang akong maano. No, you're not gonna look in this size. You have to look for your size, girl. Hello.
This is extra small. Your size. Tagal pa naman ko silang mamili. Diyos ko po. I think this is big size right here, Cass. Did you check your pants?
Si Kuya Kent, guys, andoon naman sa mga men's.
Maliit lang yung ano nila. Kasi wala pang sahod. You have to check the sizes. Nandun si asawa ko sa bahay. Kasi, syempre, as usual, ayaw niya pong sumama. Ha? No, there's the original price is there. Hindi ka na po kami sa mga t-shirt. Ito na yung nabili niya. Mga mura lang po siya, pero kung itotal mo po, maglaki na din po. 7.99 isa. 7.99. Ayun pa siya, naghahanap pa siya doon. Ayun, nakasama din si Kuya Kain.
Naman siya, airboard na po siya. Airboard. Kakabili lang kasi namin ng mga shorts sa kanya. So, ito talagang store na ito is bagsakan ng mga murang damit. Yung iba, that's pretty. What's the size? Yung iba galing sa mga mall na parang hindi na tinanggap ng mall. Parang ganun, good. Ganda nito, ah. Black na naman. Anyway. Hindi na ako bibili sa akin. Sa kanila na lang. Uy, ang ganda nito, ha. In fairness.
Tell me what size is this?
Small. You can look right here, oh. Small. Okay, just grab that one.
This is it.
Okay. Show me one by one what you've got. You're gonna try it on in the fitting room.
I found this one. I like it.
Okay, put it there in the cart.
True.
One.
I was looking for you.
What's that? What's that kind? Okay, what's the size of those?
This one. I got these jeans.
Let's wear jeans.
Pretty baggy, but I love baggy.
Red.
I was looking for more.
Well, you can have one more, and that's it for now.
What?
Yeah. One more pa, guys. Tapos tama na po yung budget niya.
But before you get all these, make sure you try them. Because we're not planning on returning this. Ganitong mga itsura dito. Puro parang mga nagkalat ang mga damit. Looks okay-okay, pero hindi siya okay-okay. Gabriel, Gabriel. I know you just want chocolate. Jacket again? What's that, a sweater? That's fine, but that don't fit you. I don't think so.
Dito lang tayo nakatunganga. Habang sila namimili. Gawa tayo ng thumbnail. Gawa tayo ng thumbnail, guys. Saan naman yun sila, oy? Look the one that. Ito na po yung mga napamili nila. Pero pupunta pa sila sa fitting room kasi they wanna make sure na kasya talaga. Well, Ross is okay to go for some clothes, but some are like looks really like cheap, you know.
Mom,
So-
I wanted to finish them.
But the shoes we gotta buy that somewhere
Where do I go?
to, you know, like that. Have to do it like that. See, there you go. It's facing you now.
Nothing expensive.
Nothing.
Equals no porn. Wow, look how big. Give me, give me.
Come on. You're so dramatic.
Couch,
Forward, Kuya.
couch.
It's a love
More
story.
couch. You?
Ando na po sila sa fitting room, guys. Antayin na lang kami dito. Hopefully naman kasya yung mga ano nila, no? Kasi kung hindi, kailangan nila iwan talaga. And then we gotta go. Kasi wala akong balak mag-stay dito for long time. Anyway, wait na lang kami, guys. Tapos na kami. Welcome. Tapos, watch out, pay attention. Kabili na po sila, mga guys. So, they're good for now muna. Get in.
Mom, it's not.
There you go. Get in now. Okay.
No time in the
So
dark.
how much did it cost? How much did it cost?
It's 100 and 39. No. 34. 79. You're not reading or what?
That's actually so worth it.
Yeah, because you guys get a lot of stuff.
Cause you know those black pants
Eh, mamaya na.
that we Papa Boys call them?
No, it's mamaya na. Hello. Unya na ko manawag, mag-drive pa ko. Hello.
Me.
Say, tawag ko niya ha. Mag-drive sa si Tita, say ha. Okay?
Didn't even let her finish.
Well, she can't understand me. Anyway. Tapos na kami doon, guys. So, uwi muna kami. I don't know. I should grab something for Dad. Because he actually don't have dinner. You guys have.
Well, let's get Charlie
Here's the receipt. No way. I'm not going on the other side.
or Wingstop. It's right there, right there. Just get him like his usual order. Non-seasoned, bone-in wings.
Right,
or
right.
French fries.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Tara guys, punta muna ako sa Wingstop para bilhan si asawa ng dinner. And then we go home na. Guys, hi. Dito na kami sa bahay. And ito yung binili namin kay asawa. Instead na Wingstop, flame broiler. Make sure you remove all that tags. Hey, why don't you guys be in the garage and cut the tag and go?
I'm gonna mark this one later. I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna do it later because
Oh, okay.
it's too hot.
Okay, it's up to you guys.
Bye, I'll be back.
So, anyway. Hey, there's scissor here, okay? So, ayan na sila guys. Yan yung mga nabili nila. Dami-dami din. Mas nagustuhan nilang bumili sa Ross kasi Moraita.